Alright, so today we are going to Cincinnati to pick up a car. We got the cash, we have the firearm, we got the keys, we have a dirty truck, the camera, and some straps, and we're ready to go, baby. Hey, what's up, Mitchell? As I'm on hold with Facebook to get my Instagram back, that got deleted. I'm going to give you guys an update that we are 4 minutes out. So we're 4 minutes away from getting the car. We've been driving for like 4 hours now at this point, so we're rolling up and we are going to go look at the car, hopefully pick the car up and be done with it. So, all right, so I did not finish the video when I went and picked the car up because, I don't know, I had a lot of things to do. The Maverick car got full and I didn't care. So, but now, here's the car. So Chris is just getting back now. So we're gonna have him explain. I mean, I know what's done to it, but I like to have him explain what's done to it. I'm gonna go for a rip and just talk about it. So I'm gonna grab him real quick. Hey. Did you get a car? Or did I get a car for you? Oh, he's coughing. Oh shit. Oh my god. That man is a wild beast. I don't know what to tell you. Chris.
Yes, sir.
Your car.
What about it?
I drove 8 hours for it, so.
Yeah, and I do very much so appreciate that.
Yeah. We'll talk about it. I don't know. I could explain it, but it's your car.
So what we're looking at here is a 2012 Mustang GT.
Okay.
It's got a built motor. It's got manly rods and pistons, a Boss 302 crank with Boss 302 cams, which if you guys didn't know, you can make stupid power on. And it's got a ported VMP blower. Makes 900 wheel horsepower.
It's fast. It's fast. We're gonna pop the hood. Thing is sweet. Wheel setup.
Huh?
Wheel setup?
Wheel setup. They're RC components, front and rear, V-box in the rear. 15.
These boys. And I tell you right now, the thing skates going like 60. So. Oh. All right. See this thing, boys. I've already seen it, but there it is. Jeez.
This thing is super clean under the hood. You could eat off this.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys remember watching my videos. Probably not, because I don't really watch my crap. But back in 2020 or 2019, when I had the GT500, was it last year or 2 years ago?
Last year, 19.
My memory's gone. I had the same blower on there, kind of the same setup. It was a 5.4 and a 5.0, and it was not built. So when I put the car up, I was like, oh shoot, it's a VMP and it's pretty freaking sweet.
Same thing.
I've seen that before, but yeah, it's just a ripper. It's on E, right?
E85, yeah, makes like 900-ish wheel.
It
is a stout car to say the least.
So we're gonna, I mean, this video is obviously pretty short, just video of me driving up, picking the car up, showing it off. And then I guess we can kind of go in the nitty gritty of what we do with our cars. Because a lot of you guys asked why I had random vehicles on the website, on my YouTube forever, and like how we always have these random cool cars laying around. Well, long story short, I personally don't keep anything for more than a couple months because I want to make money off of it. So, and that's what he does too. So,
just having fun.
Yeah, having fun. You try different cars out. You have fun. You make some money while you're doing it. So, there's that. Yeah, so I don't know what color this is, but I like ruby red. It's my favorite thing ever. And
Car's
everything.
fresh. Like,
Yeah.
probably less than 2,000 miles.
Show them
on it.
interior. Like the, what's the body have? 55 on it? 60?
60,000.
60 on it, but like, it is an auto. But if you guys come back, oh, it's not a manual, blah, blah, blah. What do autos do, Chris?
They shit faster than manual.
They go fast. If you want a drag car, you kind of want an auto. I mean, you can have a manual, but what the hell's the point of that? I don't really. We both have fast stick cars. Not that. I mean, they're not as fun. I'm telling you, autos are more fun. Just get them on. Just get on it. So, skinnies up front, thick boys in the rear. There we go. Right, Mitch?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so.
Hang on one sec.
Want to rev it real quick? Do a little rever? Little sound clip for the boys. Sound for Smells like corn. Tastes sweet though. Turn it off. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. We're gonna bring out more car content soon here. Yeah, I don't know. And if you want to see or like know how we kind of go through cars and have fun with them, we can explain some videos on that. But it's a good side hustle, so get into it, and thanks for watching.